getting ready to go. As you can see, it's not exactly summer fishing today. Definitely got some snow. It snowed about 3 inches last night. It's probably sunk about 1 inch. So we're sitting with about 2 inches on the ground. It's really not that much colder out though. All things considered, still pretty nice out. So see if we can catch some fish on our last day here. What was that?
Still pretty nice out.
It is still pretty nice out, all things considered. I mean, it's snowing, but outside of that, I mean, it's not too bad outside. How many are you gonna catch today?
More than you. That's all that matters.
Yeah, that's good. I'm glad.
Huh? It's brighter today. About damn time. Had to be drifting.
I had just let line out of the spool to get it down to the bottom, and he was there. Nice fish. He'll go, I think. Not big, but he'll go. Yes! Finally! A hooked wood. Huh? That was a 15 in it. 15 and a quarter.
Maybe that's what we need to do. Straight. Well, he was straight under the boat. I wasn't dragging it yet.
He's pretty short, I think. I'll squeeze him for all he's worth. He's long, actually, long and thin. Might get there. Nope, I don't think he's going to. Nope, 14 and a half. That one doesn't look like a little one. That's not a little one. Huh?
Sauger.
It is a sauger. He'll be long enough.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's a sauger. You hit anchor?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I casted way the hell back there. And I hadn't worked it in very far yet. Yours is bigger than mine is. I don't know if mine will keep. That's a nice one there. Oh yeah, mine will keep too. I think he's gonna be close. Huh?
That's so much slack in it because of where I was too fast.
Yeah, that one was closer to the boat. I'm casting pretty much straight back, but we were pointed a little different when I casted, but it was... That one will measure because it's a sauger, nice and long. Female sauger. Damn near 17. Oh, there's apparently some up by the boat too. Yeah, I don't know if he'll go or not. Probably not. I'll measure, but I don't think so.
I don't even get that many.
14 and a half. That's a little one. Little sauger. Not even worth measuring that one.
What? What, a little bitty sauger? Yeah. Probably, yeah, I saw on the road.
Huh. Some on that side of the boat, apparently I casted way up into the current. And I hadn't pulled it very far out of the current yet. Doesn't feel like a bad one. Oh, well, there he goes. Oh, just hate to lose one on a boat flip when you don't already have your limit, but it's not nearly as bad when you've got your limit already.
Huh? Good one? Doesn't appear to be small. Oh, it's not giant. It's a nice fish. Pretty hard to quit when it's like this. What? Every cast?
Oh, I must not have lost my minnow on the other two that bit. Decent one. I think that's fish number 9 for me today. Yeah. That's where I had those 2 bites in the last cast and 2 bites on this cast. This might be the biggest one I've caught today. Yeah, there is. Never mind. Well, in the boat. That's 10 for me today. I go and I'll put you back. How much longer are you thinking? Honestly, I got a couple more casts left in me, but I think I'm probably don't have 10 casts left, that's for sure. Better one? Better one as in like net or help? No.
Just a nice one. Way up there. Bloop.
This is dumb. Dang, this one feels heavier too. Heavier than the last one even. No. Just another nice one, but that's 11. Smacking them today. Hey, so much for me being ahead. I was ahead for a cast. Huh?
He's done.
Better off checking now. 14 and a half. Well, he's up there. I think these are better fish. Overall, average size, I'm getting better ones anyway. 12.
Counting, I guess.
Yeah, he should have, I guess. I don't know. Good one. Keeper at least.
Help grab it? No. Ooh, that one. That's what we use. Larger average size.
Must have. 13. You got one. Ooh. 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 He actually clicked out a little bit of drag there for a second, turned around. No, just another one. 13. Oh, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Swiped at it and I got him. I anchored it. I was just sitting there too. $14, I think.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that walleye beatdown that we just put on. Just want to run through some of the lures we were using. I was just throwing this VMC, I think they're called Google Eye or Moon Eye or something like that jigs, made by VMC. They're really meant to be swim bait jig. Extra long shank, the little plastic keeper there. But I was throwing a minnow on it. I don't know if it was just that the minnow was further away from the jig head that they were liking that, or if it really just didn't matter. Normally you want to use a shorter shank hook on your jig when you're throwing a minnow like that, but man, they were hammering it. And then my dad was throwing, this is not the same jig head he was throwing, but he was throwing this plastic, just a simple paddle tail. Pretty thin little paddle tail actually. Moves really good in just current. He really wasn't reeling a lot. He would cast out, so he was sideways into the current and let it drift back, and it would move in the current itself. I mean, reeling just really slow. He actually caught one not moving it at all. The key for finding those fish was find where the current is not. It was a Monday, so they were running lots of current. They run more current on weekdays. Weekends they don't run as much current. But yeah, it was a Monday, so they were running more current. The fish were not in the same places they had been Saturday and Sunday. We had to move to go find them. It took us a little while to get on the fish, but yeah, once we found them, it was lights out. But yeah, you really had to stay out of the current. Saturday and Sunday, you would kind of be on the edge of it, casting towards it. You had to be a ways away from the current, it seemed like, because there was current everywhere when they're letting out that much water. So you go to where there's no current on Saturday, Sunday, and then there's a little bit of current there on Monday. So it's kind of where those fish can hide, get out of the really, really strong current. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next week.